GM, how would you define karma? What is it, and what role does it play in our evolution?
Wonderful. Karma is a fluffy word for absolute cause and effect. When everyone knows that there is cause and effect, and we always have, even monkeys know to a point that there is a situation of cause and effect. But back in the day when people thought that everything was ruled by gods and everything we did was to appease and please the gods, we called it karma, because we thought that the cause and the effect was up to the whim of the gods, and cause and effect occurs because of things in God's lives that we know nothing of, and therefore shouldn't ask and just trust that karma is real. That was a bit of a fluffy answer, but anyway, that's karma. I'll give you a for instance. It is not punishment and it is not reward. It has nothing to do with that whatsoever. It's all about getting what you ask for and natural consequence. A very good for instance, I'd like to say this is my story, but it's not. This was told me by a monk that lived with the Dalai Lama, which was 3 peaks over from the monastery I was living at when I was in the Himalayas. Anyhow, I digress. If you spend your life as a human being wanting nothing but sex, that's all you think about, that's all you're looking for, that's what you spend your life doing and looking for and trying to get, and that's your only objective. If that is the way you are, your next incarnation will probably be a rabbit. Why? Because you have trained your spirit to be the shape of want. You have trained your spirit to be wanting nothing but to do what things like rabbits and fish do, which is to live, to have sex. So if you are reincarnated as a rabbit, it's not a punishment. You shaped that yourself. You asked for that yourself by your wants and desires and your inability to rise above those things as a human being. That's the lesson. If there's any lesson in it, that's the lesson. If you change because of that lesson, you have evolved. And that is the place of karma in evolution.